Jua. Tulikuwa na matatizo makubwa ya CBC. Tulikuwa na matatizo makubwa ya gap ya walimu ama upungufu ya walimu. Tulikuwa na matatizo makubwa katika universities zetu. Almost 23 universities were almost bankrupt. Actually, they had been declared bankrupt because of the funding model that did not provide adequate resources for teaching at our universities. What have I done? The first thing I did wakati nilingia ofisi, nikatengeneza presidential task force. Na tukakubaliana we must sort out our education, because if we don't, we risk our future. Ndio sababu hiyo tukafanya mambo matatu ya muhimu. Jambo la kwanza, tukakubaliana mambo ya CBC. Wazazi hawakujua hii CBC junior school iko secondary, iko primary. Wakitoka hapa wanaelekea wapi? Transition itakuwa namna gani? Madarasa itatoka wapi? We straightened CBC. We now have clarity on the transition between ECD, primary school, junior school, secondary school, all the way to our universities and TVETs. Number 2, tukasema lazima tuondoe pengo iliyoko kubwa ya walimu. Hakuna vile masomo inaweza kuendelea shuleni kama hakuna mwalimu wa kumfundisha watoto wetu. And that is why I took the step to hire additional teachers. And I must thank the teaching fraternity, both NAT and KUPPET and all the other stakeholders, for understanding. We even hired some teachers on internship because we wanted to bridge the gap. I want to say to the teaching fraternity, when we worked with you and we told you that even these ones who we are hiring as interns, they will be confirmed. You believed us, and we have confirmed almost all of them. And we are going to do that. Sasa tumewaajiri an unprecedented 76,000 teachers. As I committed, we are hiring another 24 teachers by December, January next year. We will have hired 100,000 teachers in 3 years. The highest ever in the history of the Republic of Kenya by any administration. And it is because we believe in our future. And we believe our future is secure when we have a population, when we have a citizenry that is educated, that has knowledge, that is trained, that has expertise, and can contribute meaningfully to the growth of our nation.